똑똑해요. 똑똑해요. What does it mean? Today, on One Korean Word a Day here at Dae-Hangul, we're going to study about the word 똑똑하다. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 307. 똑똑하다. Again, it's 똑똑하다. This is pronounced as a 4-syllable word. The first syllable is tok, second syllable is tok as well, and third syllable is ha, and the fourth syllable is da. Pronounce it with me. 똑똑하다. Again, it's 똑똑하다. Now, what is the meaning of the word 똑똑하다? This is actually a descriptive verb or an adjective, which means to be smart. Again, 똑똑하다 means to be smart. And since this is still on its hada form, this could be conjugated. Now, how do we write 똑똑하다 in Hangul? This is composed of 4 syllables. And as you can see, the first and second syllable are the same because it's repeated. So in order to spell the first and second syllable, we need to draw first a sangdikat or double ndikat character, followed by an O character, followed by a Giyo character. So we need to write these syllables twice. And then after the first 2 syllables, we have here ha, and this could be written by drawing first a hi character followed by an a character. And then for the last syllable da, we need to draw first a dikat character followed by an a character. And then we just need to combine all of these 4 to write 똑똑하다 in Hangul. So here are some more information about 똑똑하다. So this is a descriptive verb since it has hada on its ending, and it means to be smart. Therefore, this could be further conjugated into a present tense form or other forms. Take for example, 똑똑해요. So 똑똑해요 is considered its present tense form. And as you can see, after conjugation, hada became 해요. So if 똑똑하다 means to be smart, 똑똑해요 is the present action of being smart. So you can call someone 똑똑해요 if he is smart. So looking back to this, which is flashed at the beginning of our video, we already know by now that the meaning of the word 똑똑해요 is smart. And with that, you've just learned 똑똑하다. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 297 to 306. Don't forget our word for today, word number 307, 똑똑하다, which means to be smart. The first word for our review is word number 306, it's 싫어해, which means I hate it. Next word is 달콤한, which means sweet. Next word is 편의점, which means convenience store. Next word is 싫어하다, which means to hate. Next word is 울지 마요, which means don't cry. Next is 맛있어요, which means delicious. Next word is 색, which means color. Next word is 딸기, which means strawberry. Next word is pepper, which means best friend. And the last word for our review is word number 297, moja, which means hat or cap. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.